the DX22. So that's the other game I've shown you in the beginning of the stream, which is having a high score challenge as I'm speaking and streaming to you guys. Ooh, and Paul the Tell came in with 215k points on wave 17. Ooh. Hello, sir. Someone's getting close, so we gotta make a score over 300k now. We gotta keep him guessing. I want to do a new score that I can even submit. So this game is developed for the Amiga. It's an Amiga game. You can also emulate it, of course. Turbo sent the DX22 based on Turbo Tomato, a game I'm gonna buy Turbo Tomato today. I want to play Turbo Tomato as well. I gotta make a score in it on Level Up. Too good. So here it says so. Collect presents, throw them to the dreaming children before they wake up. Golden presents deliver extra points. Quick delivery also extra points. You can get a multiplayer, but the Grunge, which is basically a copyright safe Grinch, I would say, wants to work against that. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna be in focus mode now, so mods, you gotta take over chat. This is gonna be something new now. I'm trying to see how clean I can get with a better combo this time around. Where are you hiding? Where are you hiding? Oh, there. That was a good hiding spot. Oh no. That kills the multiplayer a bit. Okay, now we're getting impatient. Didn't take long for me to get impatient, it seems. Oh, and gone is the multiplayer. Ah, never mind. We can rebuild it. We gotta get better at this game as well. Who would have thought that December is gonna be the month where I'll be grinding 2 high school competitions? Oh! Oh, that was bad, but we want those golden presents. Oh, fuck me. Oh, that was bad. Oh, we got quite the combo going right now. That's good. Oh, fuck me. Fuck me. Gone is the combo. If you want to play this game as well, guys, hit me up and I'll help you set it up so you can run this game as well. It's a super fun competition and I got it submitted to Level Up as well. So you're running it not only for the scoring competition, but also for some loops. So make sure to get some. Come and get some. Woo! The game is still easy right now because we're only on 1 Grinch. So the moment... Ah, that was bad. We're gonna hit the next Grinch. I think that's wave 8. It's gonna get more difficult. Oh, that was bad. Also, we're getting the strawberries now, which are very fast and hectic, as you can see. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. Go. You want the game, Cake? I'll set it up for you. I can set it up, so if you want to stream next time, you got the Amiga running and the game as well. Would be no issue at all for me. Oh, that was not the way I pictured this to go down. Of course, with a second Grinch, things are bound to get a bit more hectic. Ah, he intercepted it. What a dingus. Oh no, the golden one. Ah. Oh, that ain't what we wanted. Imagine Amiga streaming done by Cake. That's my Christmas dream. Ah, goodbye, multiplier. Come on, leave me some presents. Those Grinches ain't playing around. Ah, they sure ain't playing around. That was stupid. Oh, that was bad. Oh no. Oh! Oh! Oh no. Come on, you're the last one here. Okay, this took me a bit too long. You're gonna stream Final Fantasy V? Really? That's cool. That's cool with me. Oh, come on. Okay, that was not what I intended to, but hey, we take it. Oh. Oh, we take those. Oh, that was bad. Oh, goodbye combo. No. Oh, yes. Luck. Luck. Alright. You know how it is. We take those. And we don't second guess here. Oh. They are the risky picks. You just once see the enter ball to unlock classic Anton. Nice. Good job. And hey, have fun doing your breakfast. Enjoy your breakfast. See you in a bit, Starbucks. Oh, come on. Oh, that was bad. It's okay. Oh, come on. Oh, too bad. Too bad. Oh no, this one worked. Worked. That wasn't too bad. Oh, okay. Gone is the multiplier. We had some major fuck-ups here. They're taking everything from me. I am but a tomato claus. Oh, that was bad. Oh, we caught it. Oh, no. Come on. I'm letting up. I feel like my power is draining. If my score won't be better, then we can submit it. You know that, guys? I gotta do another one tomorrow. Which was my initial plan anyway, so... I'm doing really bad this time. Oh, that wasn't that good. Drink real quick. Woo! Oh, we got a good multiplayer going right now. See me fuck it up next round. Oh, we lost a bit. It was a bit of a penalty. That's okay still. Oh, ooh, oh, lucky, lucky, lucky. I thought that was it. No, gone is the multiplayer. And we can focus on speed. Oh, it's alright, it's alright. Hoffo did himself with the music as well. Uh-oh. It's okay. Oh, you come here, Saint Pineapple. Why are so many kids sleepwalking, by the way? Oh, goodbye. Goodbye, combo. Oh, goodbye, combo again. Oh, okay. Oh, come on. The intercepty. On every chance I get. Fair though. It's their job. They're doing their job, the Grinches. Grunches. We want to keep it correct. Terminology. Ah, there you are. Well hidden. Oh, no. No! Oh, yes. Lucky. Oh! That wasn't cool. That was to be expected. I am now considered as the stream stack baby. Hello, bingo! Welcome, but why the stream stack baby? You're confusing me. This is a joke that is too smart. I didn't study long enough to understand this joke, bingo. What is... get it, cause 9 months. Thank you so much for subbing for such a long time. Holy fuck, the time flies. 9 months already. Thank you so much, dude. I really appreciate it. We're doing high score rounds for Christmas competitions. Right now we're playing Turbo Santa DX22. Endless mode on normal. I'm in full-blown focus mode because this game do be difficult. Okay. We got at least a combo extension in that regard, so we take it. We take all of it. Ah! Grinch! Grunch. Come on. Okay. I lost my focus here. I gotta get back in my focus zone. Sorry guys for not being as active in chat. But this is a life and death situation we're having here right now. In terms of scoring. We take it though. Oh, he's intercepting me. This football? Is it fruit ball? Well, that was a low-hanging one, huh? That was a low-hanging fruit. But I think the game's about to add another Grinch on top, so this is going to become super tight very soon. There we go. So wave 19, we're at 215k. And our old score is 272k. So still another 60k to go in 7 waves. Let's see. No! Grunch, my combo. Happy little accidents. We take him. Bob Ross scoring. Oh no. Okay. They're laughing their ass off. I mean, the ice did its job for what it's worth, so we take it any day. Potato. Oh, we got extra time, I think. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that was bad. Oh, we just lost. We just got a penalty. I can live with that. Oh. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. We don't want to give away our bonus. Oh, that's lucky. That's lucky. That's bad. Ah, lucky. No. Yes. Oh, that was so lucky. Again. Never mind. Never mind. With that multiplayer, we're not gonna get a big bonus, are we? Okay. The golden stars give 1k bonus, while the silver ones give 100 bonus, I think. Oh, that was a close one. Shit. Oh, it's just a little minus on our bonus counter, so it's not too bad. Oh, we take those. Come on. So. That was bad. That was alright, therefore. I mean, we didn't lose our bonus yet, so it's still good. Oh, fuck. Ah, jinxed it. Borderline jinxed it. Leave me some. Come on, Grinches. Grunches. Oh, nice. Some sort of capitalist dystopia sent us to work hard to get his bonus. Jake is determined everyone gets a present this year. Yes, I'm back. Pancakes were yummy. Ooh, pancakes. That is some serious stuff. Well, how does this game work? Everyone is sleepwalking and we as Santa need to give him presents, so all the kids get presents this year. That's basically the story. But it's dystopian indeed. Come on, come on, come on. I don't want to break my combos here. Oh, you are a juicy strawberry. As opposed to that, what you are. You were a naughty strawberry this year, weren't you? Fuck me! Goodbye, counter. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, bad. Bad, bad, bad. Oh, come on. I thought I could trust you here, Strawberry. You and your weird routing. We take it again. Ah. Oh. Come on, I thought that was a brilliant shot. Seems like it wasn't. We're still on present duty because we're nowhere near done. Count drop says 11 more presents to be delivered properly. And we are working on that. Oh, yeah, that was close. Okay, we are very close. Our old high score was 272,000. Now we're on 265k. Thank you, Skybox. I'm really hit right. Let's crack the 300k in this run. Come on. Oh, come on. They left me nothing. That was a risky one. And it worked out. Ah, goodbye. Goodbye, combo. It was nice having had a combo like that. Maybe we can build it back up. Hey, some presents would be nice, game. Come on, come on, come on. Can't just take everything away from me. Oh, we take the ice. Anytime. Anytime, any day. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Okay, we almost beat our former score. Our former score is 2-7. Oh, we beat it. 2-7-2-4-8-8. So we beat our former score. So everything we do now is gonna work towards a new high score. So let's do our best here. Oh, that's brilliant. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, that was lucky. I guess that was not intended. Oh. We had so much luck there just now. We take those little whiffs. You got weird ways, Strawberry. Some people just don't want presents, it seems. Strawberry is the most aggressive sleepwalker I've ever seen, and I played the game Sleepwalker, which was a hideous game, by the way. Oh, come on. I'm feeding the wrong kids. Come on, Strawberry, you're the last one. You're making it super difficult on both of us. Come on, come on, come on, come on. How difficult can it be, Strawberry? That was so unnecessary, Strawberry. Oh, okay. It feels like the higher the difficulty, the different the pattern, but I don't think it's true. It just seems that way. Because strawberries are always random. Again, in real life. It's just berries in real life. Come on! You're supposed to help me and not play against me. My time is running low with this. Come on. Okay, we're getting a countdown. Okay, 304.08. That's our score, 304.08.